Hey guys, it's time for the unboxing of my December wellness box. So I ordered this last Wednesday and I got it on Friday. So quicker than Amazon right now. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Adrienne with Mom Life with Adrienne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 and I share everyday mom life from our grocery hauls to unboxing of products I love. If you are unfamiliar with the wellness box, they are a personalized monthly subscription box. So you pick each month what you want. So last month I got laundry detergent because we needed it. And little by little I swap out what we have already for less toxic products that I am loving. So little by little we've been shopping here for a little over a year and most of our stuff now is from the wellness box and I'm loving it all. It is less toxic, it's American made, it's saving our family so much money of not having to run to Target and Walmart, because you don't just run into the store and buy one thing, but the products are also concentrated and cheaper as it is. So it's cheaper than Target, but better prices, better quality. The makeup is European standards. So there is over 400 products to choose from, and there's from laundry to supplements to cleaning supplies, health and beauty, nutrition, vitamins, home stuff, some food, and some essential oils. So let's see what we got this month. So this month was a couple Christmas gifts and a couple things we needed. So one thing that I drink every day, I add collagen into my coffee. And it was cheaper to, I don't want to say cheaper, you save money by buying 2 over 1. And I put a scoop of the collagen, which is 10 grams of collagen and 10 grams of protein. But I put that in my coffee. It has no flavor. It gives it more of a red tinge, but that's okay. But it helps with not only hair and nails, but the big thing I've noticed is bone and joint health. And there was a little bit of time where I stopped using it, and boy, did I feel it. Okay, our family loves the Simply Fit popcorn. Our favorite is the natural butter flavor, and then we just lightly salt it on our own. Let's see. Okay. Makeup wipes are a Christmas present for my oldest. Are you a mom who puts toothpaste in stockings? So I got 3 different toothpaste for 3 different kids. So we are trying their toothpaste, the Berrylicious fluoride-free gel, the apple flavor training tooth gel, and then the fluoride, what is this one? Cool Mint. I already use their toothpaste and love it, but we're gonna try it for the kids. Also, got 3 strawberry mints, just something to throw in their stockings. For Brian, he is getting some Riverbend Grill savory herbs and sea salt seasoning. And I will promise this is the most random box ever. I got my oldest some Lover lipstick. If you follow along on any other social media where I show my kids, my 13-year-old is a obsessed Taylor Swift and always wear bright red lipstick. Well, now I got her some. It's called Lover Color. It's bright red. It reminds me of Taylor, but it's European standards. It's less toxic. And the girls who have used it love it and say it lasts and doesn't smear as much. And then the last thing I got to try was their protein. It is creamy chocolate. There's 20 grams of protein for 2 scoops, and there's 15 servings in here. So I normally do either a shake or even adding protein to oatmeal or protein to yogurt. So adding more protein into my day. But I decided to try the ProFlex this month. So that was my haul, my unboxing for this month. If you are interested, I will put the link below for more information on if you're interested in the wellness company.